Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Google account without using a Gmail address. Yes, that's right. You can access all of Google's services like Drive, Docs, and YouTube without ever making a Gmail inbox. It's quick, simple, and only takes a few minutes, so stick around and follow along step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type Create Google Account and click the first link that takes you to Google's account creation page. Once you're there, click on Create Account. You'll see options like for personal use or for work. Choose for personal use if you're making it for yourself. Next, fill in your first name and last name, then click Next. Google will now ask for a few basic details like your birthday and gender to verify that you meet their age requirements. After that, click Next again. Now, here's the key step. When you're asked to create a Gmail address, look for the option that says use your existing email address instead. Click that and enter your current email. It could be from Outlook, Yahoo, iCloud, or any other provider. After entering your email, hit Next. Google will send a verification code to that email just to confirm it's really you. Open your inbox, find the message from Google, copy the code, and paste it back into the setup page. Once verified, you'll be asked to create a password and might be prompted to add a phone number for security and account recovery. Follow those on-screen steps. They help keep your account safe. And that's it. You've just created a fully functional Google account without a Gmail address. You can now sign into YouTube, Google Drive, Docs, Meet, and more, all with your existing email. Pretty easy, right? If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.